Clean your house first, a charge to the government this evening as a member of the disabled community laments the lack of proper infrastructure for them to move around. The appeal comes as the long-awaited Disabilities Act takes effect today. Andrea Chisholm reports.
I am happy. I am excited. I am elated.
President of the Montego Bay Jamaica Society for the Blind reacting to news that the Disabilities Act is now in effect. It was passed in 2014, but the regulations were not approved until October last year, 7 years later. The Act seeks to enhance the welfare of persons with disabilities. For example, Section 24 outlines that disabled persons should have equal access to privileges, benefits, and treatments. They should not be subject to discrimination. Under Section 37, newly constructed premises should ensure disabled persons can gain access. For President of the Cornwall Combined Disability Association, Andrew East, the government should lead by example. He points to ongoing concerns.
No proper infrastructure. I mean, there have been efforts made, but it's not good enough. It's not effective. And that is part of the thing that we as a group and the disabled committee will have to look and put forward now. Because with this implementation, we have to hold the government at hand, knowing that you have to clean house first. During the rain time like now, we have rain this morning, I don't go out because the roads are wet and muddy and nasty. There's garbage at strategic places, and there's no sidewalk. We can't use the sidewalk because we can't enter the sidewalks. We don't have parking. There's no disabled parking anywhere in St. James, except in parking lots. And we have lobbied for that many times.
Mr. East, however, admits that Jamaica will need time to get its infrastructure up to scratch. In the interim, Robert Blake has a vision.
That Jamaican and the rest of us will learn to respect us, stop the discrimination, allow us to be a part of everything that is human possible with equal rights and justice.
Dr. Christine Hendricks is the Executive Director of Jamaica Council for Persons with Disabilities. Under the legislation, the organization is a corporate body. It has to be funded from the public purse. Dr. Hendricks highlights ongoing concerns from the deaf.
Of course, we do have the community of persons who are deaf who would want stronger language in the Act that speaks to the Jamaican Sign Language, but the Act does speak to the importance of having interpreters to facilitate persons who are deaf participating in society.
Andrea Chisholm, TVJ News.